File names should follow Pascal case, where the first letter of each word is capitalized. The file name should match the primary class, interface, or struct it contains. File names should be descriptive and clearly reflect their content or purpose. Use only letters and numbers. Avoid spaces, underscores, or symbols in file names. Use prefixes or suffixes to clearly identify the type of file. Follow the convention of placing one class, interface, or struct per file, except for small, tightly related types like enums. Organize files in folders that match their namespaces for better structure. Consistency is key. Ensure the same rules are applied across the project to maintain uniformity. Here's how the mentioned rules can be applied to the project structure.